Testing, testing, 1, 2. Alright, man, let's get this thing started. Hopefully everything is going right. Market is getting ready to open today. See how we're looking this morning. Looking okay. Alright, this is the pre-market right here. Yeah, we're looking okay. Alright. So let's get ready to make trades. Market is open. Well, not quite. Give it a couple of minutes here. Now it's open. Gotta move directly up today. That's actually what I want to look for. I want to look for a call this morning. So see what call I can get. This is next. Today is Friday, so I'm getting next week's calls. Very strong movement to the upside early this morning. Make sure everybody can see exactly what this looks like. Hopefully you can see my chart okay and my numbers. looks like I might have missed that opportunity to go ahead and jump in on the call. May have a small pullback here. Tell you what, I'll break up. I'll just give it a little time. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna break up my buys. Maybe I don't need to. Let's see. I think that I should switch the call to the 111. Alright, so ended up stepping in 300 at 98. This is the zone I was waiting for right here. Looks like it might pass straight through it. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation move right here. not get. We started out with 47 and some change. Here's a confirmation move, but we're still at 98. We started out with 47 and I think it was 47.5. Started out 47.5, 47.8, so we're down 1,000 right now. Alright, man, the first live on YouTube. Hopefully this thing is showing okay. Everything's showing up pretty good. Might just go ahead and just get this this up above now. I was about to say I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing because it's getting ready to go up. So this one. Bears seem to be giving it a hard time. All right. Oh, something happened. Oh, what happened? It didn't buy the correct amount. I didn't put in the correct amount. All right. Man, this is like a nice little test, little beta test of my YouTube live. We're having a real hard time breaking through this right here. Oh man. So I seem to be just trading here horizontally for the moment. I got in it kind of early. I didn't have. I should have had the patience for it to come back down into the zone here. I think I ended up getting it right around here in this area when I should have waited for it to get down here, right? So this trade could be over had I waited to get it down here. I could have got it at like 92, but instead I got it at 98. And right now we're at break even. As long as it keeps trading right around in here, we're at break even. In order for it to break out, let me change colors real quick. In order for it to break out, we needed to get above, and it just got above that. I was about to say this or this too. And then if it gets above this, then we'll have a definite move on up. Right now we're up 1 cent. No, we break even. We're up 2 cents right now. Going up into the resistance zone, our established resistance zone from earlier. Let's see if it bounces out or if it keeps going up. 2 cents up right now. It just broke through the resistance zone. I've got marked highs up here. So pre-market. Yeah. So it's bouncing back on the resistance zone right here. It's not bouncing back, but it's, it's pausing, giving us a pause right here. It's actually breaking through. Just needed to keep going. I believe we can reach one of these. There we go. Now we're going through. I believe we can reach one of these highs here today. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get rid of this buy at 93, and we're up 3 cents. Looks like we're gonna have another pullback here. We're still not actually good on the move up because it hasn't opened into a higher zone yet. Let me make this bigger here if I can. There we go. Okay, so it hasn't actually opened up in a higher above this candle here. It's going up, but then it pulls back. Let's see if it opens up higher, pulls back. Okay. Maybe I should pull out and get a wider get a wider view. Maybe I should pull out and get a wider view by going to the 2-minute. Ah, 2-minute shows that it does have an open above the previous high. Okay, so still looking kind of good, looking good, feeling good. 5 cents will put us at 103, and I think we can get ready to get that here. But if we break above this, here we go. We're breaking above this this predetermined high right here. We're breaking above it. Like I said, I'm hoping that we can get to this 101.50 or maybe even the 102.30. We just broke above the first predetermined high, first resistance zone. Now this is supposed to be 400, but somehow I messed up the buy, so we only have 300. We haven't had an open above this predetermined high. We had a break, but not an open. This is a 2-minute chart. We should be getting close to an open above this resistance zone here. There it is. We got to open above. And that's our move up right there. Now I can secure 5 cents definitely here, but I do believe I'm looking for my move up to the 101, at least up here to the 101 40s. So let's leave room for a pullback. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the stop in on our 5 cents. Here's the pullback. I don't want to get stopped out on the pullback just yet. Not just yet. Here's our pullback. We would be able to see that pullback a little bit better if it was on the 1-minute chart. But we have pulled out for a better view here, a wider view of the landscape out to the 2-minute chart. Still early in the day. The market's only been open for almost 30 minutes. Looking to live through this pullback here. As a matter of fact, I could add to it in this pullback. Could add that 100 I was looking to add. Let's see. You know, I could have made 2 trades today. I could have went ahead and took that out at the 5 cents, and then picked it up. I could have picked it up again right here at 98. And just did a double trade for the day. It would have ended up being 10 cents altogether. Okay, well, I missed that opportunity. Hmm. because I'm gonna look for a double tap in the 1 minute. Nice. Look. Missed that. Oh, I missed that. Make it a double tap on that. Or maybe not. Right, we're just cruising along here. It's been 30 minutes already. We could have been done in, what, 10 minutes. I missed the initial entry. I just missed it. It was my fault. Alrighty. Now we're going back up now. But this is actually a double tap into the resistance zone. So this is actually a spot where I will be looking to grab a put. So I have to be ready to go ahead and stop out of this thing in case it doesn't continue up to my predetermined highs. Because it may just go on a downward move here before it continues up or it continues down. I really missed the prime opportunity right here on the first candle, and also right here on the pullback. I missed the prime opportunity to get in right there. So we'll see what happens here. I might just have to go ahead and just pull out of this thing because I'm not an all-day kind of trader. You know, sometimes you can tell when the stock is just going that one way, and I'll just throw a stop in, and then I'll just leave and go and handle my business, and just, you know, check on it periodically on my phone. But in this particular situation, it looks like we're double tapping at the resistance, and so we may double tap here in this new support. Yeah, it's taking its time. Whatever it's going to do, it's taking its time. Move it up to 6 cents to make sure you get the full 5 cents. Alright, there we go. We'll get ready to throw the stop in. Alright, we got to stop in. I'm going to cancel this buy. Get ready to modify the stop. We got our movement up to the next predetermined high right here. We got to stop in at 105. That should get us more than our 5 cents that we were looking for. It looks like about 7 cents maybe. So we're going to keep it there at 7 cents. I know we could get more. If we moved it up, we could get more, but this is not about greed. It's just about having a predetermined set range, right? Right here on the pullback, we might go ahead and stop out. It's about time also. I don't know about you, but I got other things to do today, so can't sit here and look at Amazon all day. So the sooner I can get out with 5 cents or more, it looks like we may get away with 6 cents today, so it'll be good. Now we started out with 47, really 48 if you count the secret 1000. We're not even counting that anymore, so we're just gonna say 47. I think it was 47.5 or 47.8, one of those. Right, so right now we're up 3,000 and some change. $3,000 a day. It's pretty damn good. That is pretty damn good. Alright, here's the pullback. We're at 108. 105 is our stop. We're at 108. 109. Okay, it's not 108 again. 109. Okay, it's not pulling back. It's continuing up. It's going up to my predetermined high here. Again, I could move it up to try to grab another $500 or whatever, but I just want to let you see that it's not about greed. It's about a daily accomplishment. See, we won't get the full amount that we could get today, but today is going to be a win no matter what, because I have that stop in. So if it pulls back now, if it should change direction and just go down for the rest of the day, it doesn't even matter because I have the stop in. I'm going to stop out with the profit. And the good part about it is, other than the fact that I'm going to definitely have profit today, the good part about having that stop in and keeping it at a lower amount is if it doesn't pull back and stop us out, and it just continues to go up all day, that'll be even more profit. So you would get paid for not being greedy. Here's the pullback here. It's at 108. It was at 107. It's at 108. 105 is our stop out. It's going down. There it is right there, 107, 106. You're ready for the stop out right here. 105. Didn't quite do it yet. Maybe that was a short pullback. It's about to continue up. It just broke through my predetermined high, and now it's continuing. I'll be convinced if it opens up to a new high. I'm going to go ahead and move the stop up. Move it up to 107. You may get a stop out right here. It's at 110. I meant 110. 111. 112. Oh, there's the move up. It's at 113, 111. It's pulling back right there. 110, 109. It's having rejection off that high. 109. Pulling back 108, 107 is going to be our stop out. 107 is about to hit. Yep. About to stop out, guys, at 107, and there it is right there. Got out at 106. Okay, so we got out at 106, and I'm gonna call that a day. Right, we were trading with 47,800. I didn't use the full amount that I could have traded with. I only traded with about 30,000. I got 300 contracts. I should have gotten 4. Got in too early. That's why I went with a lower amount. I tried to come back in with the 100, but missed opportunity on that a couple of times. It's imperfect. It's imperfect trading, you know. Now, Amazon is probably going to keep going up today and reach this go over 102, right? So I could have held it, but I want to go ahead and get out, get my money now, so I can go ahead and handle some other things. But like I said, we started out at 47. I'm just gonna say it was 47,800. So now we're at 50,000. So on the day we made about 2,200. Let's call it 2,200. That's pretty good for one day. One day of work. We'll call it an hour of work. $2,200 for an hour of work. It's pretty good. All right. So it was a great day of trading. If I had any viewers, I would take some questions, but I don't, so I won't. On this first YouTube live here. So, guess there's no need to really go over the trade either. So I'm just gonna leave everything and get out of here. The $2,200 profit today. We don't really count money over here, so we're gonna say we gained about 3 contracts. We were at 47. What? Well, hold on. Not 3 contracts. We were at 47. We gained 30 contracts today. Or we could say 2,200 contracts. We gained 2,200 contracts today. Okay. And that's what we count as the contracts. So when we look over here, I see this. Hold on, let me make this bigger. Right. So when I look over here, let's see something. There it is. Okay. So we can see the numbers pretty good. I really got to get my screen to be more of an HD. This live needs to be in HD. Maybe I need to change something, some kind of setting. And there's a delay. I need to be able to fix that delay. Yeah, that delay is bad. About 5 seconds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about a 7-second delay there. Okay, I don't know what I can do about that, but when we see this 50,000 right here, you'll see it in about 7 seconds. 7-second delay. So when we see this 50,000 over here, we really count this as 500 contracts, right? Because the contracts are counted in 100 increments, we take this first couple of decimal points here, and that's going to be our 2 zeros. Then whatever comes after that, that's how many contracts we have. So 500, right? So we started out today with 478 contracts, and we've ended with 50, so that's 220 contracts. No, hold on. That's 22 contracts. 22 contracts we added. So we added 22 contracts in one day. It's great. So we come back tomorrow, and we'll be able to trade 500 contracts. Hopefully we can add about 50. Not tomorrow, tomorrow's Saturday. But next week, hopefully we can add about 50 contracts. Alright, so that's it for this trading day on the Friday, the first YouTube live. Everything worked out, and I like it. Alright, so I'll see you on the next live, guys. Peace.